Good afternoon. So next topic is regulator circuit. So you have already know in a power supply circuit, in a DC power supply circuit, first circuit is rectifier circuit, then filter circuit, then next is regulator circuit. Otherwise stabilizer circuit regulate the output voltage. So for regulator circuit we use main component is Zener diode. So a Zener diode circuit is used as the regulator circuit. So next topic is Zener diode voltage regulator. Zener diode voltage regulator. So I think in the workshop you have already familiarized with Zener diode. The symbol is like this. This is the anode part, this is the cathode. In a simple diode we have this, the symbol is, this is the anode, this is the anode and this is the cathode. In the Zener diode, in the simple diode, this is the anode and this is the cathode. In this Zener diode representation, this is the Zener diode representation, this is the anode and this is the cathode. This Zener diode mainly used as a voltage regulator. For voltage regulator, so using these characteristics, by using Zener diode characteristics, we can simply explain. In the forward bias, that is the positive voltage and its current, that is the forward bias condition, this is similar to a normal diode. But in the reverse bias condition, when the voltage increases in the reverse bias manner, that is voltage increase at a particular point. This point is known as the breakdown point. At this point, the current increases rapidly. This current increases, suddenly the current increases at this point. Otherwise, we have to say for all ranges of current, that is here current is 0, current is 1, current 2, current 3, minus 3, like that. For all these current, this is same voltage. That is, when V increases beyond this point, that is V increases beyond this point, the current increases like this. That is, V increases the voltage across a Zener diode. That's not reflected. That is, voltage doesn't increases. Then what increases? Current increases. For example, a Zener diode is in a reverse bias condition. Zener diode is in a reverse bias condition. For assume this is P, this is N. For reverse bias condition, N side is connected to positive potential and P side is connected to negative potential. So V increases 0 to 10 volt. First voltage is 0 voltage, that is 0 voltage here. For 0 voltage, current is 0, that is current through the Zener diode is 0. Then we increases again the voltage, then increases voltage to 1 volt, that is here 1 volt. Then again the current through is 0, but here 1 volt, the voltage across Zener diode is 1 volt. Then we again increases voltage to 2 volt. Again increases to 2 volt. Then again 2 volt. Here 2 volt. Then that is applied across the Zener diode. That is in reverse bias condition. Then again the current is again 0. That is when 2 volt comes, the current is 0. That is current here is 0. For assume then it is 3 volt. Then 3 volt what happens? The current increases. Here 3 volt. The voltage across Zener diode is 3 volt. The current is now 0. Then increases 4 voltage, then voltage happens then 4 voltage, here 4 voltage, then the voltage across the Zener diodes becomes 3 voltage, but then the remaining voltage, that is flowing as current, that is 1 ampere or 2 ampere. That is, when we apply 4 voltage across the Zener diode, the voltage across the Zener diode is only 3 volt, and remaining potential is then flow as the current. That is, current starts to flow, and the current flows through from this point to this point, but the voltage is only 3 voltage. When the voltage is again 4 volt, 5 volt, 6 volt, for all other voltages, for all other increased voltages, the voltage across this Zener diode is only 3 volts, but the current increases like this. For voltage increases beyond this point, that doesn't reflect across the Zener diodes, then current beyond this voltage, when we increases beyond this voltage, the current increases rapidly. So this characteristics used as Zener voltage as a voltage regulator. In a voltage regulator circuit, Zener diode is used in reverse bias condition. This is the main question in all objective questions. How Zener diode is used in regulator circuits? The answer is, it is used as in reverse biased condition. So a simple voltage regulator circuit using the Zener diode is simply a resistor Rs. Then here Zener diode is connected in reverse bias condition. Zener diode is connected in reverse bias condition. Okay. Here we apply the input voltage. Here we apply the input voltage. Through here the current flows, the voltage developed across the Zener diode, then IL load current, and the output voltage taken from here. Output voltage is taken from here. So when we increase the voltage, that is 2 voltage, then the Zener voltage across the 2 voltage, current flows through this is 0. Remaining all current flows through the load resistance. When current flow through this load resistance, a voltage is developed across. This voltage is taken as the output. When 3 voltage applied, then current flows through the 0. The voltage developed across is 3 volt, and the remaining current flows through this. Then the remaining current flows through the load resistance. That is, when a 2 ampere current is flows here, then here is 0 ampere flows. Remaining 2 ampere is flows through this load resistance. That is, 2 voltage is applied, we can take 2 voltage. So when 3 voltage is applied, that is, the limit is 3 voltage. When 3 voltage is applied, again a 3 ampere current is flows here. For example, 3 ampere, maybe it's vary. 3 ampere current flows through here, then it is 0 ampere. That is, the current flows through here is 0. The remaining current flows through, that is 3 ampere current flows through this load resistance, and the voltage, it is 3 volt like that. That is when the input voltage, same input voltage get from the output voltage. When the input voltage fluctuates, that is suddenly fluctuates, that is the input voltage suddenly fluctuates to 4 volt to 5 volt, 6 volt, like that. When the input voltage suddenly increases, what happens? When the input voltage suddenly increases, the voltage across increases beyond 3 volt or the breakdown voltage. The current through the Zener diode is increases. The current through the Zener diode increases. For example, here 10 volt comes, here gets 10 ampere. Here gets 10 ampere. Then what happens? The 10 volt here applied, this is the 10 volt. Then a large current is flows through this Zener diode. For example, 7 ampere current is flows through this Zener diode. That is, the 7 ampere is current flows through from this point to ground point. only remaining 3 ampere current is flows through here. Only remaining 3 ampere current flows through here, then this voltage is 3 volt. That is when the input voltage is increases to 3 volt to 10 volt. By using the regulation action or regulator action of Zener diodes, we get only 3 volt. Thus the circuit regulate the output voltage. Okay, thank you.